work, work, work. See me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So you put in work, 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 work. Why you gonna learn, 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 learn? I don't care if it hurt, 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 hurts. Try me, I desert you. The time to have you lurking. He might go act like him not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Brown skin. Boy, I wanna lock you, wanna wrap you in my arms. Hey, brown skin. Oh, I love the style, I love the spice, I love the passion you bring. The way you smile, the way you attire, the way you take care of yourself. In every way you make my day. You know I want you for myself. I see it in your eyes that it's me, it's only me can love you so, baby. Hot like a fire, my heart desire. Oh, hey, brown skin. Boy, I wanna lock you, wanna wrap you in my arms. Hey, brown skin. Yes, I love the style, I love the spice, I love the passion you bring. Hey, brown skin. Yes, I wanna lock you, wanna wrap you in my arms and sing. Hey, brown skin. Yes, I love the spice, I love the style, I love the passion you bring.
Let us hear what our judges thought, starting with Anthony.
I love the look tonight. I thought I was going to get a performance that corresponded to how you look, but for me, you were a little bit sort of low-key. It wasn't as interesting as the visuals.
Aline.
Shocking that I do not agree with Anthony. But what I witnessed a while ago was your most spirited performance since the beginning of the competition. I thought that you were much better than last week. Our issue with you last week was that there was no interpretation of. Well, you look for me so far. Lord Master, let me don't talk. Yeah, as I was saying, you sounded good. Like there's, you have a good tone. I just think that you have to be a little bit more fierce. Like if you attack a Rihanna song and you have on Rihanna kind of outfit, you have to kind of give it Rihanna. But your interpretation, though, you know what I mean? It's kind of what you said, but you were mean. So, oh, I'm finished because we're supposed to be short. But it was not bad.
Conroy.
I never thought that I would have disagreed with Elaine and agreed with Anthony, but I do tonight. In fact, you look good. You look good, and it started off nice, but it wasn't your best performance. I don't think it's your most spirited performance. I think I've seen you do better. Jamaica loves you. They love your look and everything, but tonight just wasn't the best for me.
Thanks, judges. If you liked how Jasmine worked that medley and you want to hear more, text the word VOTE to 444-5502 or call 444-5503. Thanks, ma'am. Great job.